Today we have an event with the Ocky way.
Hometown craft is Ocky way, so just come to get some food.
They brought the American food into London and they're selling it here at hometown.
Hello, I'm here to see the Ocky way, to taste the Ocky way.
প্রিয় দর্শক, আমার পেছনে নিশ্চয়ই আপনারা একটা লম্বা লাইন দেখছেন। এখানে কোনো অফার চলছে না। এখানে বেসিক্যালি আমেরিকার একটা গ্রুপ আছে, ওকি বা আদম সালে, তারা এখানে এই দোকানে এসেছে। এটি হচ্ছে কারিওয়ালা মিডিয়ার নিচেই যে দোকানটি, সেখানে মানে তারা বার্গার এবং বিভিন্ন ধরনের মুখরোচক খাবার সেল করে। বা যে বিষয়টি এখানে আমি একটু বলতে চাচ্ছি যে মার্কেটিংয়ের স্টাইলটা এখন অনেকটা চেঞ্জ হয়েছে। শুধু আপনি সোশ্যাল মিডিয়া পোস্টিং কিংবা বিভিন্ন ধরনের ভিডিও তৈরি না করে ইনফ্লুয়েন্সারের মাধ্যমে যে একটা মার্কেটিং করে, এই লম্বা লাইন ক্রিয়েট হয়েছে। আপনারা দেখতে পারবেন এখানে প্রায় শত শত মানুষ, এবং দে আর নট অনলি ফর দ্য লোকাল, তারা অ্যারাউন্ড দি ইউকে থেকে এসেছে, কেউ ওয়েস্ট লন্ডন এবং নর্থ লন্ডন থেকে এসেছে।
Today we have an event with the Ocky way. This is my shop called Hometown. We've been open for 1 year. We've been trying very hard. He came through and now we're here.
Okay.
Everyone in the line is here for me. And Ocky way, obviously. One of my friends, he owns Food Hub, is a company, and he put us in contact with them. But our shop, we're the only people in London who sell chopped cheese sandwiches. So it's a special item that they're doing. We're the only ones in London that do it. So they contacted us because we do it already, and then they came through.
Running a restaurant? Your food deserves the spotlight. Currywalla Media. Let's make your food famous.
To be honest, just wanted to see what it's all about. I've seen the guy on Instagram, but now he's coming to London, so I thought might as well come here with my friend.
Okay, where are you from?
We're from London.
London?
Yeah, we're
Which
studying
area?
here. West London.
West London. So
Yeah.
you basically coming from West London,
Yeah,
East London.
to East London.
Just to
Yeah.
see your
Yeah.
who you follow, yeah?
Yeah, exactly.
Hometown craft is Ocky way, so just come to get some food. Simple as that, yeah.
Just to see
Accurate.
him and having some food.
Yeah, just food, yeah. Like, I seen the TikToks in it, and the food looks good, so I said I might as well come and get some food.
That's very
Yeah, simple. Yeah, I come here regularly anyway. So I said I might as well come here when he's here. Like chopped cheese, like sandwiches, like stuff like that. Yeah,
Mac and cheese.
yeah, mac and cheese. Mac and cheese here is good. If you come hometown Cav, the mac and cheese is very good, and the Philly cheesesteak sandwich is good here as well. But I just want to see what Ocky way's got going on. You get it? Yeah.
Hello, I'm here to see the Ocky way, to taste the Ocky way. Proper, authentic New York style. I come all the way. I hope to see Slim, especially Slim. I heard his nose is quite big. I've got quite a big nose, so we need to see who's bigger, innit? So, if he wants to get me on a flight with Floyd Mayweather, Manny Pacquiao, anyone, I don't mind. So, here we go. I'll leave it at that.
They brought the American food into London and they're selling it here at home.
So obviously these lot are famous American people and they're coming here to spread their influence, and yesterday I cut all of their hair. So I trimmed them because they all needed a barber. So yeah, link in bio, X Crafts.
Yeah, I'm here for the food. I'm here to see everyone. I can't lie. Yesterday we patterned him, got him to cut all their hairs. We played some football with him as well. Yeah, smoked Fazy in the 1v1.
Not make them.
We're here for the food.